Hey bafowethu lembize ephekwa yona noba ivuthwe nini kodwa ukuvutshwa izavutshwa yona. Ngenzeka futhi ingavutshwa namhlanje ingavutshwa kusasa kodwa ukuvutshwa xa yona nje ingagcinwa isestofini. Hayi ukuvutshwa ingavutshwa. Kunesi story esimasikizi bafethu esithe esifaka umntana okuthiwa nguMazwi Khubeka wase Vosloorus ona 27. Namhlanje idate 1 kaMeyi 2026. Kusasa ifamily izabe igqiba inyanga walahleka. Ulahleka kanjani? Ulahleka ukuthi kukhona uneshishini lakhe unesphazanyana sakhe apha akazivulele sona nini kwavakala into oba umane ehoriswa ke phofu yabafaka nesi story sakhona siyabafaka abantu bokufika manje kuthetheka ingathi baye bamhorisa ngokungathi makavale isitolo sakhe sisiphaza shop sakhe akubanga kudala bafethu nge2 kaApril 2026 wanyamalala umfana njoba ndisisho ngithi kusasa uzawube egqiba inyanga elahlekile. Namhlanje ke bazithathele ngokwabo intambo ongizwe nophakela umthakathi bejoyina ke phofu uXolani Khumalo lo weAction SA bebheka kwiside lase Vosloorus beyovela efamily into babethi siyosabela ba ithini sistory ncamncam. Hayi ke bathe belapho baphume inumbers bafethu bathe belapho ke yakhona into ethi imibombo mayike ihambe yosabela ivinya use police station into ba uthini umcimbi wale case lena. Bafethu ibhlungu lento lena. Khayijikisa ijongise ngakuba bokuthiwa ngumfowenu. Khayijika uyijongise ngakuba bokuthiwa ngumntana wakho lona because kulento lena ivinye ezinye izikelemke sesifumene amaqoba nje oba mawaskeme ivinye family members zonezo because khona phona lapho sister wakho na ke wa interview watsho wathi beke baskenywa nokuskenywa because nabani mos xa uso uhlala nje ualert xa kukhala nje ifone yakho nje awuphuzisi mathubu kuyiphendula because usoloko usexhaleni. Bafethu abehlu buthongo basithembisile koXolani into bazahambe bake bayova ivinye police station bafumane station commander apho nomuntu obunyobo busy ngecase bake bachazelwe kabanzi into sithini story sokwenza lona lo mfana lona because lento lena ne uba ngaba ayilungiswa ne izaya iyeni sengamosha usengeva sokuthiwa nje mazivalwe izitoro zase Vosloorus because bese ikhona into enjalo babe sithi makuvalwe kwa izitoro zona ezo ezinye zase Vosloorus. Ayike angimazi lo zakhohlela nje naye sikhohlela sonke phofu kulendlu bafethu ibhlungu leya into yona
sifuna sizosuka manje sambe se police station sifuna lo ophethe icala asitshele ukuthi what is the update. Number 2 bese siya decide ukuthi laba abavula itoro bayavalwa or kanjani. Again, high discipline. High discipline. High discipline. Yes, lalela mphakathi. Yazi ukuthi kukhona laba basile ne. We're going to give directions ozoyenza into engafunwa. Sizomshaya ke thina. Oze ngengqondo yokulutha number 1. Oze ngengqondo yokulimaza izitolo zabantu. Sizomshaya thina uqobo lwethu. So what we going to do right now? Amaphoyisa lana nini? We go to the police station sifuna update le akusi opportunity yabantu abazosipina. We want justice. We want ukuthi kutholakala umfowethu angithi. Oze ngoba yena akala closer endlini. Uzofuna ukugangela izitolo zabantu. Sizomthela induku. So right now we're gonna move. Indlela yethu yokumove angithi now amaphoyisa. Indlela yethu yokumove se police station. Branch commander no station commander, they will tell us how far are they and who's investigating, because we want to get an update. Asifuna ukuthi umndeni ukuba wona wodwa wazi ukuthi kenzakalani kodwa nakusilimela ngithi. So ngizothethe leadership ukuthi leadership ne-leadership may control abantu bayo. Mina ama-crime fighters ne-Action SA, you will be controlled by me. Angifuni manyofonyofo, we don't want abantu abazonto ezisinaksta. Amabutho will be controlled by the leadership. Nama-political parties who are here, can we allow the leadership to control your people? Because if you don't control them, we will help you. And it's not going to be nice, anything. And that's why it was on the school.